So this is the hair I'm going to be using to braid. It's by Bobby Boss, and it's just like a pre-feathered braiding hair. I have about 4.5 packs, and yeah, I'm gonna do that while watching What Men Want. So yep.
Several song-filled hours later.
Alright guys, so I finally finished my hair. I didn't want a whole lot of braids because the more braids, the more you have to take out, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got from Zara. I'm also giving you guys a little sneak peek of my room, as you can see before my makeover video is posted, but it's okay. So yep, let's go ahead and show you guys what I got from Zara. It's only a few items, but I really like them, so let's see what it is. I also made this cute little knit corset, and I think it's so cute, and it just gives your casual look a little more so go check that video out as well. Now let's see. I think I only got like 3 things, y'all, so it's literally a mini haul, and I mean, alright, so now I can open everything. This is my first time shopping Zara, by the way, so I've never shopped them before. I was on their website and I saw a few cute items in the special prices area, of course, because I'm on a budget. Okay. Oh, this looks even better in person. I'm wearing this today. Okay, so the first thing I got was this animal print nude tote, and it comes with like a little wallet. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It was $29.90, but I got it on sale for $17, so that's good. And oh my gosh, scissors. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I want more of their purses now. Like, I'm officially hooked off of this one purse because it's just so cute. Like, I love the look of it. Like, I love animal print in general, but this is just so cute. Okay, so you hook the chain on the inside of the purse like this, and then when you put your little mini wallet in here like this, the chain is kind of like out, and it gives like a cute little edge. Oh, I'm about to put all my stuff in here right now. Hold on, y'all. We wearing her today. Cute. Cute. Okay. And I think the other 2 things are shoes. Look at these. Look at the details. These are just so cute. Like a nice pop of color. Let me go ahead and snip this off. Oh, I love these, and they're so comfortable. Like, they're so soft on the inside. I just like the cool pointy chic look that it gives. Like, I like these. I think these are so cute. Like, I just love it. I like the pointy look. I feel like it's a very like minimalistic, modern look. And they're actually darker than the camera showing. They're like this deep mustard. They're not like this lemon color that's showing up. But I love them. Yes, yes. Last but not least, ooh, we have some brown loafers. Okay, let me cut. I may wear these today as this. I'm already wearing like a neutral type of outfit, and I feel like with these, oh, these are gonna give it some edge to this outfit. Okay. They're very neat, sophisticated, and classy. Cute. I love them. They're gonna go great in my collection of neutrals. I see my snakeskin ones there, so I like these. Very cute and very cute. With some nice dressier pants and a blouse. Oh, so cute. Alright guys, so my nails have been in dire need. I have not attempted to even go to a nail salon. That just wasn't something I even wanted to do. So I went to Walgreens instead and I got these from Kiss. And they're my favorite color, which is like this nice lavender. Super cute. So I'm gonna put these on. I'm gonna let you guys see me put these on. So let's go put these on. Ooh. So I'm definitely gonna use glue because I am a glue. Cool. Why is that your camera? It's the crop. There we go. You see that? Perfect. Let's do the rest. Guys, so this is the final results. They look so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. There, now my nails are done. So I just want to show you guys what I have been sewing. This is not a tutorial, this is like for my brand, and it's going to be like this cute organza corset-ish top, you know, and I'm thinking if I should do like big sleeve or like an off the shoulder vibe. I'm still editing. I am going to embellish this. I just don't know with what yet, but it's just something that I've been working on. I want to show you guys. Super cute. Go follow the brand Allegra because there's so much more to come. It's for women who like to exude elegance, whether you're going for an everyday type of elegance or a super dressy elegance for like an event. So go ahead and follow because you know you gotta look elegant, feel elegant, just be elegant. Alright guys, so I just want to close out my vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.